students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, show that the point A comma B plus C, B comma C plus A, C comma A plus B are collinear using determinant method. So if 3 points are collinear, means the determinant of A comma B comma C will be equals to 0. Determinant of A, B, C means first we'll write x coordinate of A, y coordinate and 1. Similarly for B, x coordinate, y coordinate 1. Similarly for C, x coordinate, y coordinate and 1. And this will be, if this is equals to 0, then lines are, then 3 points are collinear. Correct. So we are supposed to prove this determinant to be equals to 0. So let's see. So we have a determinant LHS. Correct. This is our left hand side. So what we will do in LHS, what we are doing? First we will add column 1 comes column 1 plus column 2. This is what we are doing. So column 1 is becoming column 1 plus column 2, means A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Similarly here B will become B plus C plus A, which is actually A plus B plus C again. Similarly here also A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Column 2 will remain as it is, which is B plus C, C plus A plus B, and third column also as it is. Correct. Now if we will take A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C and A plus B plus C as common, so this will become A plus B plus C into 1 1 1, B plus C, C plus A plus B, 1 1 1. Correct. So if now from the property of a determinant, if any two rows or column are same, then determinant will be 0. So here first column and third column is same, 1 1 1 1 1 1. So determinant will be equals to 0. So hence all 3 lines are collinear lines. Correct. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.